I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the I20's infotainment to ACC or on. This wakes the Bluetooth module immediately. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your phone and make it discoverable so the car can find it. Make sure both devices have recent firmware or OS updates. This avoids pairing errors. You do this now to reduce surprises later, because outdated software often blocks profiles like A2DP or HFP. With both devices ready, move to the system's Bluetooth menu. You tap Settings, then Phone or Connectivity, then Bluetooth on the I20 display. This opens the pairing interface. Next, select Add Device or search for devices so the car begins scanning. This is the active step that creates the radio link. When the car's name appears on your phone, tap it and accept the pairing request. Sometimes a PIN appears, so confirm the digits on both screens. Make sure to allow contacts and audio if prompted, so hands-free and media work right away. You finish by marking the phone as primary or preferred in the I20's device list, so it auto-connects next time. Then test both a phone call and media playback to confirm hands-free and audio streaming. If audio doesn't route, check Bluetooth media permission on the phone and the car's audio source. If pairing fails, restart the phone and the car's infotainment system, then remove old entries and pair again. This clears temporary conflicts and resolves most stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.